Isa. Happy birthday! Happy anniversary ko rin bukas. Ngayon pala. Ay, 22. Parehas tayo. Come, Chloe. Good health and more blessings.
Happy birthday, Tita.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Come, Chloe.
Happy birthday po.
Oh.
Ingat lagi. Tita Isa, happy birthday po. Ingat po palagi and may God bless you more. And sana po palagi po kayo gagamitin ni Lord sa kung saan man po kayo magpunta. Ingat po palagi and we're all here. Kahit na magkakalayo po tayo. Ingat po palagi. God bless. Bye.
Hello, Tita Isa. Happy birthday. Sana maging maligaya ka sa birthday mo. And regards to Bayo dito. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Birthday!
Happy birthday!
Like this, baby.
Practice again.